There's a lot of things I miss about the US.
You like what?
Don't worry, there's a lot of padding in these.
I mean, there's a lot of information in here, Heather, that is off the record.
There's a lot of church people, good Christians, who see a connection between godliness and prosperity.
There's a lot of people unemployed, and I really don't know when there's going to be light at the end of the tunnel.
There's a lot of great families out there tonight.
No, there's a lot of reasons why I won't sleep with you.
You know, there's a lot of articles out there that make women over 35 who are pregnant feel like crap.
I know there's a lot of work to be done that probably never be built, but it's good, isn't it?
There's a lot of bad boys out there.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of things going around about me, but none of it's true. Okay?
Now, I know there's a lot of mountaineering experience in this room.
There's a lot of competition in town, so we're offering the free trials.
There's a lot of fish in the sea. Ladyfish?
Babe, let me let you go, because there's a lot of stuff around here.
There's a lot of data entry, so you need to feel confident in the latest versions of Excel, PowerPoint, Lotus Notes.
There's a lot of ways to get to know a person. Eating her.
Look, all I'm saying is that there's a lot of stuff that I don't know about you. And there's a lot that we need to talk about.
Or Lucas, or Damon. You know, there's a lot of balls in the air right now, so.
There's a lot of vibration.
There's a lot of heat in here for a nightclub.
Yeah, there's a lot of drinking involved.
Now, there's a lot of cops out here, John.
Carol, there's a lot of other things to consider here.
I don't know. There's a lot of blood in here.
Apparently, there's a lot of things that can be wrong on your body.
There's a lot of work to be done.
There's a lot of things you could do yet.
Well, there's a lot of selfish assholes out there needing a good shake-up.
There's a lot of fine ways to die.
All I'm saying is I think there's a lot of time and money to be saved if we came up with these stories on our own.
There's a lot of inventory out there.
There's a lot of unhappy spirits looking for you.
There's a lot of jobs around here for homeless kids.